Hello friends, this is in continuation with our prelims series. So let's get into the topic, and today's topic is economy and important committees related to it. So first of all, we shall see Dr. Anup Satpathy Committee. So what does it? For what purpose it has been constituted? So it is for fixing a national minimum wage. Okay, this is very important because recently there was a issue of increasing Manrega wages, right, to around 300 or so this becomes important with respect to that. And for means, you should also remember the recommendation for writing a better answer. Okay, this was recommended to Ministry of Labor and Employment. And the next committee is Bimal Jalan. So it was constituted for Economic Capital Framework of RBI. So this was in news last year because of the reason of Section 7 of RBI, which says extra reserves could be transferred to government, right? So this is regarding the transfer of funds to government from RBI Treasury. And next, Rangarajan Committee. This was constituted in 2005, which led to the formation of National Statistic Commission. So you just remember this as a fact. Next comes PJ Nayak Committee. So in PJ Nayak Committee, the main motto was to improve the governance of public sector banks. So PSBs were in news like almost frequently for the past 2-3 years. So you should remember this committee, PJ Nayak, and if possible, also remember few of its recommendations. And why it was in news? Because of the issues of NPS, non-performing assets. And the next committee is Ratan Vatal. So this committee was constituted for accelerating growth of digital payments in India. So please note that there is also another committee on digital payments, that is Nandan Nilekani. We shall see what is the purpose of it in the next coming lines. Next is BN Goldar Committee. This was constituted to change from wholesale price index to producer price index. For what? To calculate inflation. Currently, we will calculate inflation keeping in mind WPI. So previously what was it? It was based on consumer price index, and now it is on WPI, and this BN Golda recommends it to shift from WPI to PPI, that is producer price index. Next comes Nandan Nilekani. He is also the architect of Aadhaar database. So remember this fact. And it was constituted for deepening the digital payments in the country. So Ratan Vatal was to how to accelerate the growth of digital payments, and this is strategy for deepening digital payments in our country. Also, do remember the important recommendation of those committees to write a better answer in a financial inclusion topic. Next comes Justice B.N. Krishna Committee. So, this led to the formation of New Delhi International Arbitration Center in New Delhi. So, this is also a good fact. And next comes UK Sinha Committee. This was constituted by RBI, and it suggested long-term solutions for economic and financial sustainability of MSME sector. Please remember it is related to MSME sector. And next comes Vijay Kelkar Task Force. This was constituted for fiscal consolidation. Also, we have another important committee, that is MK Singh, which is also related to fiscal consolidation. But the previous one was constituted for the 2012 to 15, and because of the corona pandemic we may not achieve this targets. Next comes Janak Raj Committee. This was constituted for linking bank lending rates to the market benchmark. So what was the purpose of this? to transmit the monetary policy to the people. This will improve the transparency in the rate setting by lenders. So you remember, right? Basically, our lending system was based on base rate, and later it was based on MCLR. What is this MCLR? If you know, please comment down in the comment box section. And now this committee has been recommended for linking lending rates to the market benchmark. So this could be important for mainly means purpose. This is just to remember which committee was constituted for which purpose. Okay, so therefore I'm not getting into the details of it. Simply remember this. And Arvind Mariam committee, this was for FDI liberations. This gave few recommendations for 12 sectors. And next comes Tapan Roy committee. This was constituted to review the regulatory and supervisory framework for core investment companies. What are these core investment companies? These are specialized NBFCs which have asset size of greater than 100 crores. Remember this. And the recommendations were mostly for governance purpose and how the heads should constitute, etc. And last, Subhash Chandra Garg committee. This was constituted for setting up independent payment regulatory board, which was later not accepted by the RBI, but right now there are talks are still going on this. So payment regulatory board, you could see what does it mean. And okay, this is not an exhaustive list, I could say, but I just reminded you that economies committees are also important, just in case if these are given in a statement in a prelims question. So this would be easy for you to eliminate. So just learn all this. And there are also many other committees, so please do include in this list and make a good short notes.